Hello, I'm in Bartonville, and this here is an abandoned Kentucky Fried Chicken. Yeah, another one that has closed in the Peoria area. There are no more Kentucky Fried Chickens. So let's go take a look at this here. Yep, this is another Kentucky Fried Chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and skip the one that's in Pekin because I don't have time to drive through Pekin. Alright, so all the windows are open. So we'll just say the Pekin one is closed as well. Yeah, because I got a lot more to do today. I plan to head to Bloomington after this here, so looks like all the furniture is still here. The chairs are up and everything. Getting some good window shots here. Ooh, the KFC bucket is in here. Look at that, the KFC bucket is inside. See, and there's a sign over there for the Kentucky Fried Chicken with the Colonel right there. Alright. Ooh, almost. Yep, a meal made the hard way. Let's go this way here because the drive-thru is over here. This looks like an old school one that's been renovated. Yeah, again, it's that franchise EYM. They went through and closed a whole bunch of them in Illinois. Trying to get to most of these here. As many as I can. There's the front counter over there. Here's the drive-up menu here. Apparently there's no menu. So yeah, I'm gonna skip the one that's in Pekin then, because it's kind of sort of out of the way a little bit. But there's a lot more Kentucky Fried Chicken videos though to come. I don't know what order I'm gonna release everything in, but there's a lot more to come. Oh, this is unusual. The drive-thru is right here instead of on the other side of the building. It's kind of a weird setup here. Yep, it's that same franchise. So they also closed a whole bunch of Pizza Huts in Indiana as well. Yeah, they closed a whole bunch of Pizza Huts in Indiana. Oh, I see a Scooter's Coffee over there. I may end up having something from there. Yeah, see, normally like the drive-thru would be over here. Yep, since 1940, Kentucky Fried Chicken's been around. Colonel Sanders. be rolling in his grave right now, seeing all these ones that are shut down, leaving entire metro areas, Rockford and Peoria, and then Bloomington normal. I think Springfield's without one too, I think. Then Champaign-Urbana. All right then, so from this abandoned Kentucky Fried Chicken, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, please, for a lot more content to come. Make sure that you like, comment, share these videos, please. God bless you. Continue shopping at your local businesses. Continue shopping at your local mall. Thank you very much. You guys are awesome.